Featherling with Acme Concrete Raising and Repair. Today, we're at Pinecrest Golf Villas in Huntley, Illinois. We're going to be raising sidewalks at over a dozen different locations here today for a local property management company. And we thought we would shoot a quick video to hopefully answer some frequently asked questions that we get. We routinely are asked, how do you raise concrete? What kind of equipment do you use? How do you get the material under the concrete and get it lifted? How long does it take before we can use our concrete after you raise it? So we're just going to run through a couple of different shots here today and give you a real good idea of what it takes to raise concrete, what the equipment looks like, and how fast you can use it when we're done. So let's check it out now. So one question we're frequently asked is, you're going to come raise my concrete, what kind of equipment are you going to bring? You know, people are concerned about heavy construction equipment, making a mess, things that are intrusive. Well, we can assure you that we have a neat, clean, compact system that is relatively lightweight, fully self-contained. We don't require any of your electricity, water, or anything else. Everything we need to raise your concrete is in this one vehicle. The way we access your concrete at any location is a simple hose. We have 175 feet of reach. The equipment stays safely in the front of your house or on the street, on a driveway. We can access patios, back sidewalks, pool decks without invasive mudjacking carts or equipment. We simply drag our polyurethane hose back to the area that we're going to raise, and it's as simple as that. So part of the raising process is that we have to drill holes through the slabs that will enable us to pump our material through the concrete to the bottom of the slab, which then fills voids and raises the concrete back into position. These are small 5/8 inch diameter holes, which will be getting patched once the concrete is raised and leveled. You'll hardly even notice we were here. After the holes are drilled, injection ports are placed in the 5/8 inch diameter holes. Our injection gun is then securely connected to the ports, which provides a clean, solid connection between the concrete and our lifting equipment. Polyurethane is injected through the port to the bottom side of the concrete. The polyurethane expands in all directions, pushing the ground down and compacting it until it builds enough pressure to push the slab upwards. Once the slab is in position, the material cures in about 15 minutes and is ready for unrestricted use. Once the concrete is raised and leveled, then other areas are filled in with polyurethane to provide the proper support for a long-lasting repair. Once your concrete is raised and leveled, the injection ports are removed and the holes are patched with cement. These patches will appear dark when we patch them just because the patch material is still wet. Once these dry, they will blend in nicely with the surrounding concrete, and it'll be hard to know that we were even here except for the fact that your concrete is raised and leveled. And we just finished up over a dozen locations, raising, leveling sidewalks, eliminating trip hazards, and as we showed earlier, it's a very simple process. We drill small 5/8 inch holes, we connect our equipment to that injection port, we lift the concrete, then we support the concrete filling all voids, we remove the port, we patch the hole, and the concrete is ready for use immediately. The equipment is still behind me here. It's actually running as I film this video, so whatever you can hear, that's how noisy this thing is. It's actually pretty quiet. So for a very non-invasive repair process, quiet, clean, nothing like the older methods called mudjacking. This is entirely different. So again, we're all finished up here at Pinecrest. We're going to pack up and go home. Thanks for watching.